Today we're going to be making these fantastic stuffed mushrooms. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. These simple stuffed mushrooms are super versatile. You can pack them with whatever you've got in and serve them as an appetizer, as lunch or as dinner. They're going to be ready in about 25 minutes, so they're really quick to make as well. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 180°C or 350°F. I've got 4 portabello mushrooms here, which are great for stuffing, as there's loads of room for lots of lovely fillings. And we prepare the mushrooms by taking a small sharp knife and cutting out the stalks. Place the hollowed out mushrooms on a baking tray, and now we're going to make the stuffing. Chop the stalks into small pieces. Now melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over a medium heat in a medium frying pan or skillet. Add in the chopped mushroom stalks, 2 minced cloves of garlic and 2 spring onions or scallions that have been finely chopped, and then cook, stirring often, for 3 to 4 minutes until the mushroom stalks are tender. Next in goes 65 grams or 2 packed cups of baby spinach, 120 ml or half a cup of double or heavy cream, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 50 grams or half a cup of grated cheddar cheese. Continue to heat, stirring occasionally until the spinach is wilted and the cheese is melted, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in a squeeze of lemon juice. And now spoon that mixture into the mushrooms on the tray. Now we're going to make a super easy panko breadcrumb topping for those mushrooms. So in a small bowl we want to mix together 3 tablespoons of panko breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 25 grams or 1/4 cup of grated parmesan, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika and a pinch of chilli flakes. Stir together until the panko breadcrumbs are coated in the oil. Spoon the panko mixture on top of the mushrooms. Then place in the oven and cook for 15 minutes until the breadcrumbs are golden brown. Sprinkle with fresh parsley before serving. So there you go, that's my delicious and simple stuffed mushrooms. You can also use smaller open cup stuffed mushrooms if you like, and serve them as an appetizer or a side dish. This is a recipe that I know my mum is going to absolutely love. Hope you've enjoyed the recipe. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.